will come upon a scene just like this, and everything is so real and so alive. All the people are enjoying the moment. They're dining. I'm looking through this enormous window, a huge, big, glorious bay window. And here everything is animated. The leaves are falling, the grass is moving, the bird is flying, the diners are dining, the waitress is walking, and everyone is animated, and they're all dining and having fun. But now I'm on a different level. They don't see me. I'm seeing them from an entirely different level. In him is life, and the life was the light of men. That is the consciousness of man. And I stopped that activity within me, which was life, which made them appear to be alive. And they all froze. They were all dead. So they were dead while they were alive. They were not animated by anything that they thought. They thought the beating of their heart was because they ate proper food. Or they were doing this and doing that and doing the other. And I knew at that moment not one of them lived outside of me. I knew that I was the life of the light that animated those bodies, all of them. As I released the activity within me which I had arrested, they all continued to fulfill their intentions. I knew I could have changed the intentions, but I had them frozen. And when I released it, which is only an activity, they would have thought that they had initiated a change of heart, and they would have gone on to do what I had commanded. And it was not anything that they had originated. I didn't change it. I simply allowed it to go on.